welcome Loyalty Squad. This is Velvet Locks coming back at you with another hair video. Now, I'm getting ready to color my locks. I just finished washing it, detoxing it with apple cider vinegar and baking soda. So I've gotten all the film, all of the build up, whatever's in there, I got it out of there. So whenever I'm getting ready to do a new color on my hair, I like to detox my hair, because when you have color treated hair, that apple cider vinegar and baking soda is going to lift that color. It's going to fade it. So that's the best time for you to actually start recoloring your hair. And that's what I'm about to do today. So let me show you now. The color that I plan on doing is this new color I just bumped into. It's a semi-permanent and it's called Cherry Bomb. Okay, and I got 3 bottles of this stuff. So I bought it at my local beauty supply store for $6.49 each, and I'm hoping to get really good positive results. Now, semi-permanent colors are not as vibrant as, or no, I can't even say that, because the ones that I used before were pretty good. I'll be also using my tie bands as well as my gloves, because I just got my nails done and I'm not trying to ruin my mani, okay? I'm not trying to ruin it. So in the meantime, I'm also going to put on the shirt that I had on when I washed it just now. So I'm going to put that back on now. So for now, I'm just going to put my gloves on, and I'm just basically going to feel my way through with this. There's no, science to what I'm about to do. Get my tie bands ready. What I like to do is section my hair. So I'm going to section my hair as I apply the color to make it a whole lot easier. Now if you see me looking over, that's because I'm trying to see what I'm doing. So basically I'm just going to feel through and apply the color as I'm doing it. I'm going to start off with my roots first. I did not use the, the Vaseline on my scalp. So you can only imagine what this is going to be like. And I kind of find that it's easier for me to do it this way. Because I get all the areas in the back of my neck. And around my nape. And being that that's the areas that are gray, I like to get those first. These are pretty big bottles. I'm surprised. Hopefully I don't make a serious mess of myself. Alright, so I'm just going to clean up around my area. Now this is a different type of red. It's more like a, I don't know if that's a fuchsia pink. Wow. I know it's not going to come out that light, but we'll see. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start sectioning my hair. And then apply the color down the shaft of my locks. Okay, so I'm going to continue doing this and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have my hair in braids and I have them sitting on the top of my head. So now I'm just going to take this roll of paper towels and just take it around my head. Yeah, you could twist it and put it around your head and tie it. Because this way you won't leak any dye on your, dye won't be running down your face. Alright? And now I'm just going to tie this bag. Now it's time to clean up, okay? So I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I am back. I'm cleaned up. And according to the bottle, it says I'm supposed to leave it in for 15 minutes. Well, I know with these semi-permanents that they don't usually take that fast, at least some of the ones that I've dealt with. So I'm going to try and, let it stay in for at least a half an hour. So by 12 o'clock, I will be back and I'll be ready to rinse this out, okay? So you'll see me then. Okay, you guys, so I am back. My hair is dry and you can actually see the color change. Now, it doesn't seem like the sides took very well to the color. You can still see some of that, what do you call it, some of the grays. So it seems like I may have to go darker on the sides. Okay. But it came out pretty good. I just got to clean up. So there it is for my color. I like the color. Only thing is I wish the edges was a little bit darker. But it seems like I may have to darken the edges a little bit more with a darker color instead of trying to go in with the same color. Only because of the grays, okay? But it came out okay. It came out okay. Like I said, I may have to just do a two-tone where my edges and the base is dark and then my red. Yeah, you guys, so that's it. That's how I colored my hair. Just going to clean up my skin now with the Sea Breeze, and I'll come back to you another day with a style, all right? So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want to see more hair videos and more things going on with my locks, just let me know down below, and I got a video out for you, okay? And until the next video, I will see you then.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.